Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to install SEO plugin. Yoast SEO plugin is the best plugin in SEO world. Apart from, there are many more plugin to do, like as all-in SEO plugin and rank math SEO plugin, etc. All plugin have free and paid version. By using free plugins, we can shoot all of our work, and the paid version has more features. So let's start with the free version. We will select the plugin option from the dashboard after login a WordPress. So friends, here I login already WordPress dashboard. So here I see plugins option. So I need to click plugin option. After clicking plugin option, then come new window. So over here you look, here already install some plugins. So I need to install Yoast SEO plugins. That's why I am clicking add new option. So I want to install new plugin. Now click on add new button. After clicking add new button, here opened new window, and here I see upload button. If you have plugin zip file in your drive or computer, then you can click upload plugin option. Then you can click upload plugin button for install. Over here I want to install plugin in online, so I want to select right side search plugin box. Here I put plugin name what I want. Over here I want to install plugin in online, so I select right side search plugin box option. Here I put plugin name what I want. Here I am putting plugin name Yoast SEO. Then it will be take few seconds and open new window here. So look, here I see Yoast SEO plugins, and here is button install now. So I need to click install now button. After clicking Yoast SEO plugin, then it will take few seconds to install complete, and over here show active button. Click on active button to active the plugins. So click now. Just need to few seconds. Wow. So Yoast SEO plugin setup is successfully installed. At this moment I need to configure this Yoast SEO plugin. So need to click start first time configuration, and after clicking this configurations button, then here show a new window, and here show some functions: dashboard, features, integration, webmaster tool, crowd setting, first time configuration. First I need to configure this site with SEO Yoast plugins. So I need to click on continue button, and here show some pop-up site representation. Do your site represent on organization or person? Here select only two options, one organization and second a person. If you choose organization option, then you need to fill up organization names and organization photos. So here I choose organization and here put organization name. So here I put organization name like Karim Host, and here I put this image or logos. So now I click select image options and here select file, just I put this logo, select this and open, and here click select. So here show organization logo and click save and continue button. After clicking, so here are few options like Facebook and Twitter. If you have a Facebook ID and a Twitter ID, then you can paste here. As a tutorial purpose, I am not putting this Facebook and Twitter URL. So I click save and continue buttons, and personal preference here need to some permission for your data track. So select first option, no, don't track my data, and here put your email website and click save and continue button. Finish configuration. That's it. By providing this information, our indexable. So Yoast SEO configuration has successfully done. So here I show you step by step Yoast plugin setup option and configuration process.